Welcome! In front of me I have Alcatel U5 HD, and today I'm going to show you how easy you can log out from your Gmail account. So as you can see currently, when I tap right here, I'm able to switch the accounts, right? So if you want to remove one of them, you have to move smoothly for settings. Right now you have to scroll down and you have to go for the accounts, go for the Google, and then simply choose the account that you want to remove. I'm going for the second one. Tap on these three dots in the right upper corner and then click to remove account. Let's confirm. As you can see, account was removed. So right now when we go back for the Gmail, we are not able to switch between the accounts because one of them we easily removed. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!